What's up, boys? We're back.
Bring the wrath, I make riches out of rags. Better sharpen up my sight and then I turn them all to ash. I'm a demon when I slash, motherfuckers dropping trash. I don't care about a verse as long as I'll be standing last. Pulling up with the new blade, homicidal with the rage.
So I've gone through and we got the new brake master on. I still got to do the clutch line, but that wasn't fitting in very good. We got it bobbed out. Looking pretty good. Feeling pretty good about it. I do need to realign the tire so that way I can put the chain on it. I will be getting a new tire, but for now we're not going to worry about that too much. But yeah, and then you can see right there it's not lined up good. I got black spray paint still on my thumb from doing the fender, but yeah, I think we're turning out pretty all right. So I'll work on getting this off, put the matching black lever, because this one's broken anyway. Go from there. But yeah, she needs a bath. That's the biggest problem right now, is just everything so dusty, dirty from my shop. I've got dirt floors. Right now I'm working in a friend's shop, so that way I could weld everything on the back end and not burn my shop down. So yeah, no, I think we're definitely making headway. Next we'll have to do all the wiring for the headlights. I've got the rear brake light, and I've got some chrome blinkers, so they'll just put them in for now, and then I'll get the ones I want later, because it's riding season and I'm about ready to, I just want to ride, man. So I'm just gonna slap together what I can for now, and past that then we'll worry about making it look perfect. I mean, every project's never done, or every project vehicle is never finished, but this one for now, at least I can make it so it's right.
I don't care what better's talking. I came from the gutter, all this fake shit, I don't want this. I do what I want, these little bitches only watching. I'm creative, fire burning cities, got a motion.
I've been busy, so I got the carburetors rebuilt with the new air pods on them. So the airbox solution's gone. There's a big gaping hole here I gotta figure out what I want to do with. We did find out that there's a huge crack along my coolant reservoir, so that's something else we're gonna have to figure out before I start riding it. I got the chain conversion on, which I'll go over all the details a little bit later in the video. But I did take it on a test ride. I was really bad at filming all this stuff, but so now I'm just gonna work on the headlight, kind of go over a few things, so that way the video is not 2 minutes long. So going through my purchased history, I had to get a 96 to 09 Vulcan wheel hub assembly, and that's what you saw me put on the second episode. They make a chain conversion kit for the same year, so you can take the rear sprocket and put it on to the newer bike hub, and it comes with the front sprocket as well. But I also had to get the sprocket retainer from looks like a Kawasaki GPZ 550, because the one on the EN500 won't bolt up. It's just the bolts don't line up. So you've got to get the newer rear hub, newer sprocket, or the sprocket chain conversion, and then you also have to get the sprocket retainer off of the Kawasaki GPZ 550. We're gonna go ahead, and I've got the one bracket started. I'm gonna mount the headlight housing. I don't know if I'll wire anything out this episode, but at least we can get it on, see how it looks. One of my problems with this bike before was the headlight was a little too small for my liking, and it's got that wider tank on it, so it kind of throws the proportions off a hair. But this is from my part stash on another motorcycle that I'll potentially be making a series about, and it was supposed to go on there, but I am using it for this because I am cheap. So yeah. All right, so now we have it there. I've got to adjust it down quite a bit, but oh, it'll adjust sweet. But I am really liking the size of that headlight. Like, that's a pretty good size headlight. I have the old one for comparison. So this is the old headlight. This is the new. It's quite a bit bigger, and I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm gonna see if I can find the retaining ring for the headlight and put the headlight, just set it in there. I'm not gonna wire anything up just yet. All right, now we've got it mounted up. As I say, I still gotta wire everything, but I'm thinking it's starting to look pretty good. A little mud on there from riding when I was doing the test ride. But yeah, I got the new master mounted up, new clutch. Everything's looking pretty good. I still gotta adjust where these sit, but yeah, finally bobbed out. I actually have a bobber now. Got the headlight in. I still have to put the brake light on, do that in another video. Chain conversion, runs and drives now. Pretty badass. We still have to paint the tank and the fenders, wire everything out, and fix the coolant leak. And it should be pretty damn close to done. I need a rear tire. That's something I really need, but that's not going to stop me from test riding it around. I'm not going to go far with it, but at least close around. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on tank design, please comment. I have no idea what I want to do on the tank. So yeah. All right. Peace.